Hi again. This time we're going to study the classification of triangles by angles. So we're going to write the topic first, moving to media. And on media, we're going to choose text. And now we can write the name. Classification of triangles by angles. Now we're gonna make the first one. Moving to polygon, and we're going to create our first triangle, trying to have acute angles, means having something like this. But we cannot be sure what are the measures of these angles, right? So we're gonna search it using measures. And we're gonna find the measures of each one, ABC, VCA, and CAV. We're gonna move each one of this. And if you can see here, all these angles has a measure less than 90 degrees. All of these are acute angles. So we can say that the name of this first triangle is an acute triangle. We're gonna move to media, text, and then click on the screen. This is an acute triangle because all its angles are less than 90 degrees. The next one is an obtuse triangle, means that it has an angle greater than 90 degrees. One of these. So we're going to check if the angle E has more than 90 degrees. We're gonna move to measure angle, and yes, this angle has more than 90 degrees. It's 112.4 degrees. But we're going to find the measure of the rest of the angles. And yes, we have two acute angles here and one obtuse angle. Then the name of this triangle is obtuse triangle. The next one has an angle with exactly 90 degrees. The easier way, I think, it's by this way. Go to settings, click on show grid, then click on major grid lines, and we have here the grid. We're going to create our triangle with exactly one angle with an angle more than exactly, sorry, with 90 degrees. So we're gonna choose polygons, then one click here, one click on this on one point of the same line, another and another one here. We're going to compare now if this angle, the angle H, it's equal to 90 degrees. Move to measure angle GHI, and it's exactly 90 degrees, right? Then IH, IG, and IGH. And we have, sorry, the measures of all the angles. We're going to disappear now the grid lines, go to settings, show grid, and no grid. So we say that this is a right triangle. We're gonna move to media, text, and then the name, right triangle. Now we're gonna change the color of each one of this, and we're gonna give color to each angle using the red color. We're gonna choose move, then click in the middle of the triangle, And we can choose the color of this. Will be this one and this. And if you may click on the angles, you can change the color. These ones will be red. You have to do it red. With this, and this one. I'm going to do the same with the angles of the other triangle, with the angles that I can. And I'm gonna change the color of all triangle, making click. Remember, the color of the triangle, it's changing when you touch this, the middle, the center of the triangle. And the angles are changed when you touch the angle. I need to change the color of this one. Look, we're gonna click on the angle, click on the first option, click on plus, click on red, and we have this. We're going to do the same with the last triangle. Change the color of the angle. And we're gonna change the color of the angles. Remember that the color is red. And it is all. If then you have to download, click on the three lines, then export image as the first option, copy to clipboard if you're going to paste it on Word or download, and the other option is three lines, download as PNG image, and then you can submit to Classroom, and that's all.